Dear friends in Germany, with kind heart love towards people in India. India have harmonious and long relationship with Germany from time immemorial. With this background, I propose a grand support from you all to safeguard the people in India from COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic is throughout the world but still worst in India that you would have noticed from international news and medias. The variation in spread and infection make no difference that it has affected rapidly everywhere in India, both urban and rural, and the death become equal according to the corresponding number of population. Still, the same trend is prevailing here. Savar Trust is a registered non-profit organization established in the year 1994 and working towards the empowerment of underprivileged women and children in Theni, Dindikkal, Madurai districts and Thane cyclone affected Kadalur district of Tamil Nadu and tsunami affected Karaikal district in Pondicherry state. For the past 25 years, we have implemented various projects in the field of children educational, vocational training, women empowerment, health, agriculture, environment, disaster relief and HIV/AIDS with the support of 50 and more international aid agencies and foundations. To know more about our trust and our activities, you could visit our website savartrust.org. Due to COVID-19 outbreak, India has reached the devastating figure of 329,000 coronavirus deaths. Oxygen supplies are less across the country. Crematoriums continue throughout the night to do funeral rites. There have been at least 3 lakh new infections every day in the past 1 month. High level of demand is needed for oxygen, medicines, injections, vaccines throughout India. People are standing on the queue for a week to get the vaccines to save their loved ones. Everywhere the ambulances running around with the siren sound. Immediate disposal of the bodies from the hospitals to the crematorium and graveyards taken place at once. It was the greatest tragedy in India. People scared of much. Now, statewide curfew started on first week of May 2021 until further government order. This unprecedented lockdown has stung millions of poor, leaving many hungry and forcing jobless migrant laborer. The poor and low income group people are suffering with their children without food. So, we would like to provide hygiene kit and food supply kit to 2000 vulnerable families in the rural parts of Tamil Nadu. We would like to support families affected by COVID and people with post-COVID care. Also, we would like to provide oxygen supply cylinders, personal protective equipment kit, medicines and masks to some of the private hospitals, those who do extensive service to people with poor facilities wherein the COVID positive is more. For that, we now seek your kind support. If we do this, it will help 2000 vulnerable families from hunger and they could also be protected from COVID-19 infection. They all belong to poor, old age without support, single-headed family, widow and abandoned people, because these vulnerable families cannot afford to buy these items. So we now request your kind help and donation in this regard. Please help us. Let God Jesus Christ bless and protect all of us. Thank you very much.